With a fashion merchandising degree at Belhaven, you have many different career opportunities, all within 4 levels of the fashion industry. So working with the fibers, yarns, and fabrics at the raw production level, even product development, of course, retail, any form, whether brick and mortar or online, even the marketing area of fashion business. 2 things that make this program really stand out is the focus on internships and job opportunities. Whether you want to stay here in Mississippi and work through like a vertically integrated small brand and doing the social media marketing, the product development, even going on buy-in trips, or working in the store and doing visual merchandising, or if your long-term goal is Atlanta, working for Neiman Marcus or Nordstrom as a retail management internship, or even New York City, places like Vogue magazine, working in the fashion closet. Secondly, I think what's really dynamic about this program is that it's small. So all the students in the class, you're important and your voice is important and you have a unique narrative to share, and we will provide you a platform to do that. This program allows you to be well-rounded with 21 hours in fashion merchandising courses and 27 hours in business coursework. Students will be working to implement the theory and the terminology that they learned in class into hands-on, real-world experiences through collaborations with industry leaders. And what they'll do is present us with some real problems that they have in the workplace, and then we'll come up with viable solutions.